Hello, it's Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Today we're going to look at 20 different ways to really perk up your patio with a fire pit or an outdoor fireplace. Lots of different possibilities and materials combinations, and to some design tips to really make your patio pop. Like, look at this one popping with that fireplace. Wonderful material. Material matches the bar. Or you can also do a simple fire pit. This is a built-in fire pit with some really beautiful materials. And finally, the portable fire pit furniture. We're going to look at all three of these types of ways to bring fire into your backyard. All right, first one, the outdoor fireplace. Two different kinds of outdoor fireplaces. The wood-burning kinds, which will always have a chimney. And here in California, they're going to have a spark arrestor because that's the law. This one has the same kind of facade on it they actually have on the inside of the house. So it ties it together. Again, with a wood-burning one, it's always nice to build a little wood holding area someplace close. In this case, we built it right into the bar. Also notice we used the same polished concrete on the fireplace as we did the outdoor kitchen. Same Santa Barbara stucco finish on the side of the fireplace. This one is a gas fireplace because no chimney. So just as a simple gas fireplace, the heat vents out there. There's also by law a side vent that also vents the heat out on the side as well. Same material as the outdoor kitchen. This one also has a facade, but it's a wood burning one. But this one and this one both have TVs built into it because, hey, if you're gathering around, let's turn on the TV. Really some beautiful design materials in these particular ones. All right, now let's look at a built-in fire pit. All right, so these are all connected with natural gas. You have to plumb the natural gas right to the area. They are built in, so you are committed to these being in that spot for quite a long time. Again, use the same materials that are used in the rest of that landscape remodel. So here, the same concrete that we use around the hot tub to give it a kind of a unified look. Beautiful fiberglass. There's so many wonderful combinations of fiberglass. Don't forget to check out the links in the comment section for some of these fire pit combinations, including the fiberglass. So some of these are kits, like that round one is actually a kit you can buy locally. This one, they have the big lava rocks because if you really want it to generate a lot of heat, you want to use those big lava rocks to generate the nice heat. The fiberglass is really cool, but it doesn't generate a lot of heat. It just generates a visual impact. So again, lots of different materials. This has kind of a patio cut flagstone that we cut for that. The third kind is the portable fire pit table. This usually comes with an entire integrated furniture set. So couches, chairs, lots of cool ones. This one is a portable fire pit table that is plumbed directly in with natural gas. The client picked this one, and then we just built this beautiful seating area around it. Again, most of these portable fire pit tables can be plumbed with either natural gas or a propane tank. So it gives you a lot of flexibility on what you're going to do with that. Again, links below for more information on these fire pit table combinations with the furniture. Again, most of these just use propane gas, gives you a lot of flexibility on where to move them around. Really kind of cool. And again, you're going to have a lot more comfortable seating time in these kind of chairs versus the built-in fire pits. I always tell folks, if you've never had a fire pit, start with a portable furniture one so you kind of get a better feel for where you like it and the kind you like. So these are some wonderful examples of built-in ones. This one by the jacuzzi is a direct connect with natural gas. Or push come to shove, you just get that little fire hatch one and just throw that wood in there. So again, here's that first one lit up at night. Yeah, make sure if you're doing a chimney, throw a little light on it to really add some pizzazz. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to hit that like, hype, and subscribe button. Leave a comment if you have questions about what you saw today. And again, here's one last look at this integrated fireplace with the outdoor kitchen and the cafe lights. It's just a beautiful, entertaining area. Well, this is the Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.